Hello everybody and welcome back to today's Aviator Griff video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Delta Thank You A321 Thank You livery. It's a 1/500 scale and I got this over at the Delta Museum. Video should be in the top right hand if I can get it to work, but so here we go. So to start, we're just going to open this box right here. Just gonna reach in, pull this tab out. Well, that's pretty cool. It shows a A320 1/500 right there on the box. So box can be out of here. So now I'm gonna pull the little overhead plastic off. As the overhead plastic has been removed, here is the actual aircraft. I'm gonna start on the top. So looks the same, just white, little Wi-Fi bump. But it's an amazing livery. Right here, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm gonna try and get it to focus. But what it says is, the world's best employees and customers, right there. So yeah, that's one side. So it looks as if there might be a stand that comes with it, so I can like put it in because it's right there. We also have the other side, and then if we look on, oh yeah, here's the little tail number. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.